Good morning. I'm Debbie Rogers and welcome to my channel. I hope everyone has had a wonderful week and I'd like to share some of mine with you. Well, thank you for watching the video. If you got to this point, I really appreciate you. And I hope you enjoyed my walk through some areas in Roanoke, Virginia. I do visit Roanoke, Virginia quite often. My husband is from there, and it's such a lovely place. I really enjoy visiting Roanoke, Virginia. And so some of the walk is at Mill Mountain Star up in that area, and also by the River Walk. And then my visit to the Omni Hotel at the Homestead, which is a gorgeous place. I recommend it if you're looking for a hotel, resort, spa area. Give that a try because it is wonderful. The staff is lovely, and it has such a wonderful feel, and it's a beautiful place to visit. And so I hope you go sometime, and I hope you have a wonderful week, and I will see you next week. Thank you. And if you would like and subscribe, it's free, and I appreciate you, and have a wonderful week.